Good morning students, welcome back to Shebo online class. Today let us go for new heading permutations. Permutation means order of arrangement. The number of arrangement that can be made out of n things taking r at a time is called number of permutations of n things taking r at a time, and this is denoted by p of n comma r or npr, and it's equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So the number of permutation formula is npr equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, and if n different things taking all together, here we are taking only r things, here taking n things, all things nama edukrom appadina, the formula is npn. npn equal to n factorial, and we have some results in this permutations like this 5. First one, 0 factorial value is 1 and np0 value is 1 and np1 is n, npn equal to n factorial and npr equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. up to n minus of r minus 1. Using these results we have to do the sums. And listen, next one is, suppose permutations in all objects are not distinct. For example, taking one word apple a, pp, le, and its number of permutations is what? N factorial by p1 factorial, p2 factorial etc. up to pn factorial, where p1 plus p2 plus etc. up to pk is n. For example, take this word. Here 1 occurs one time and p occurs 2 times and l occurs one time and e occurs one time. Therefore, the number of permutation in this case is, first count all the letters in this word, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Okay. So 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial into 1 factorial. Okay. Next one, circular permutations. Circular permutation means its arrangement in the circle. In this case, suppose our things are not identical. Not identical the number of permutation is n minus 1 factorial, taking all the things at a time. N different things taken all at a time. All things identical. Not identical means its value is n minus 1 factorial. If it is identical, that means all the things are identical, then the number of permutation is n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Understood? Next, go for exercise 2.3. The first sum is, if np4 equal to 12 into np2, find n. Listen, what is given? np4 is equal to 12 into np2. And we know the formula for permutation is npr is equal to what? N factorial by n minus r factorial. So using here we get first n factorial by n minus 4 factorial. Here r is equal to 4 and it is equal to 12 into np2 becomes n factorial by n minus 2 factorial. Okay, cancelling n factorial on both sides, and we get 1 by n minus 4 factorial equal to 12 into 1 by n minus 2 factorial. And listen, among these two, n minus 4 and n minus 2 factorial, which is small one? Listen clearly, n minus 4 factorial is very less than n minus 2 factorial. We have to rewrite this in terms of this. In the last class we have seen, suppose for example 8 factorial is equal to, we write 8 into 7 factorial, and also 7 factorial becomes 7 into 6 factorial, and 8 into 7 into 6 factorial written 6 into 5 factorial and so on. So using this here, okay, n minus 4 factorial is small one, this is big one, the big one and small one nama rearrange panna porom. Okay, listen, that is, write n minus 4 as it is which is equal to 12 into 1 by n minus 2 factorial becomes n minus 2 into, we have to subtract 1 by 1 from n minus 2 up to we get n minus 4. n minus 4 வர வரைக்கும் நாம ஒன்று ஒன்றா மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டே வர போகிறோம். n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. We want n minus 4. So stop up to this and put the factorial. Now cancelling these two, n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial, and we get the left hand side is 1 is equal to 12 divided by n minus 2 into n minus 3. Okay, now cross multiplying on both sides we get n minus 2 into n minus 3 is equal to 12. Multiplying we get n square and then minus 3n minus 2n minus into minus plus 6 equal to 12, and n square minus 5n plus 6, bring this 12 to left hand side we get minus 12 equal to 0. Now subtracting these two we get minus 6 equal to 0. Factorizing this, multiplying 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Split this minus 6 into 2 factors like this. If you multiply we get minus 6 and add we get minus 5. So our factors are minus 6 and 1. So n minus 6, n plus 1 equal to 0. So equating n minus 6 equal to 0 or n plus 1 equal to 0, we get n is equal to 6 or n is equal to minus 1. But minus value is not possible, since minus 1 is not possible. So we take n is equal to 6 only. This is our answer. Okay. Next, let us see second sum. In how many ways 5 boys and 3 girls can be seated in a row so that no 2 girls are together? Okay. Listen, 5 boys can be seated in a row. So 5 boys la 5 boys எடுத்து நம்ம seat பண்ண போறோம். So number of ways is 5p5, which is equal to 5 factorial. npn is n factorial. Using that we get 5 factorial. Next, what is given? Given that no 2 girls are to sit together. So suppose 5 boys are there. So there are 6 places in between. Is it? There are 6 places created, and there are 6 places created in each arrangement. ஒவ்வொரு அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்டுக்கும் 6 places இருக்கும். நமக்கு 5 factorial arrangement இருக்கு. Okay, next இந்த 6 placeல 3 girls நம்ம சீட் பண்ண போறோம். So number of ways என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படினா, number of ways are 6p3. Okay, 6p3. So total number of arrangement is 5 factorial into 6p3. Total number of arrangement is, multiplying these two we get 5 factorial into 6p3. This is equal to 5 factorial into 6p3 is 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial. Is it? We know npr is what? N factorial by n minus r factorial, isn't it? Using this we get 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial, that is 5 factorial into 6 factorial by 3 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial into 6 factorial by 3 factorial, and we should know 1 factorial is what? 1. 2 factorial is 1 into 2, that is 2. 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3, 6. 4 factorial 24, and 5 factorial is 24 into 5, 120, and 6 factorial equal to 120 into 6, 720, and so on. And using here 5 factorial is 120 into 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. 3 factorial gets cancelled. We get 120 into multiplying these two, these three numbers 6, 5, 4. 30 into 4, 120. So, we get 12 12s are 144. So, our number of ways are 14,400. Understood? Let us go for fifth sum. In how many ways can 8 identical beads be strung on a necklace? Strung on a necklace means it is circular permutations. Okay, next, in how many ways can 8 boys form a ring? This is also circular permutation. Ring means circular permutations, and here it is given identical, and we know very well boys are not identical using the formula. First, we know, and it is given the beads are identical. Since the beads are identical, therefore number of circular permutations are identical, means formula is what? N minus 1 factorial by 2. Here n is what? There are 8 identical beads. Here n is 8. Using here 8 minus 1 factorial by 2, we get 7 factorial by 2. The next one, what is B? In how many ways can 8 boys form a ring? And we know very well boys are not identical. Boys are not identical, and therefore number of circular permutations is are n minus 1 factorial, that is here also n is 8, n is equal to 8. So, 8 minus 1 factorial, we get 7 factorial. Understood? Next, we see sixth sum. Find the rank of the word chat in dictionary. In the dictionary, chat, the word comes in which place? We have to find that. First, we write the word like this. Okay. We have to assign the numerical for this letters in the alphabetical, and we know the alphabetical order. Is it? In this word chat, which comes first in the alphabet? A. Is it? So, for A we put 1. Next, after A which will come? C. So, I am putting 2 for C. After C, what will come? H's. So, we put 3 for H and 4 for T. Like that we have to assign this, and then next see the first letter C. C for 2 we put, isn't it? 2 right hand side. 2 right hand side la how many numbers are less than 2? எத்தனை numbers less than 2 இருக்குன்னு நம்ம find out பண்ண போறோம். Listen, the less than 2 is 1. That is only 1. Is it? Put 1 here. Next, take 3. H for 3, isn't it? 3 right hand side la how many numbers are less than 3? First find. So, only 1. So, put 1. Next, take A. We put 1 for A, and after this, that means right hand side of 1, how many numbers are less than 1? There is no number less than 1, isn't it? So, we put 0. And next 4, after this no number is there, so we put 0. Okay. Next, we assign the factorial and start from 0 factorial and start from right hand side also. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and adding 1 plus 1. Now multiplying these two multiplying these two, we get this one 0 into something is 0, here 0 into something is 0, 1 into 2 factorial, we know 2 factorial is 2 and multiplying by 1 we get 2 and 1 into 3 factorial is 6. Now adding these all the numbers we get 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to what? 9. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. Therefore, rank of the word is chat is equal to 9. Understood? Okay, do the homework and send by 5 p.m. Thank you, students.